Where does your customer list live? Be honest for a second, because every service-based business I work with says the same thing. It's on a spreadsheet or two. So meet Mike. Mike's real. We're close enough. I've met hundreds of them before. 15 years running the same shop off the same spreadsheet. 400 customers, every job he's ever done, one file, one account, no backup. And that spreadsheet doesn't remember anything. Didn't we already quote this guy 2 years ago? Different price. No way to know. What did we do last time at that customer's house? Nobody wrote it down, so we just have to guess. It's probably on Mike's laptop or something. Who still owes you money? Mike will figure that out on Sunday with a calculator. Every one of those jobs he's paid to win is going out the door second time. 15 years in now, and Mike wants to sell. And the buyer asks him that one question: can I see your customer list? So Mike sends over a spreadsheet. No history, no proof that anybody ever came back. Nothing that says this business runs without him. 15 years of work and there's nothing to hand over. Mike doesn't own a business. Mike owns a job. And look, this isn't news to him. Somebody sold Mike a system 3 years ago. He logged in twice in 3 years. I've set up a lot of these, so I know exactly how many times people log in. The problem was never the software. It was having to go use it. 5 years of trying to get guys like Mike into the system, and they never went. So we just stopped asking. No portal, no app. You just open the thing you already have and type. Who hasn't been followed up with yet this month? 8 people. 3 of them called us and nobody called back. So Otis called June 28th about a heat pump. Nobody ever called him back. 42 days ago. That's not a missed call. That's a job the guy across town is doing right now. He didn't beat you on price. He just answered the call. How much am I waiting on right now? I didn't open a report to find that out. I just asked. That's $47,000 of quotes you sent just sitting there that nobody signed off on, ready to go. So let's do something about it. Let's text everybody with an open estimate. So it drafts a message, shows me exactly who's getting it, and then waits. Nothing leaves without me saying yes. That's not a setting you turn on. That's built into this. 1 sentence, 6 follow-ups, and you're still standing on the job site. So here's the part that I actually care about. I'm not asking you to log into anything new. It plugs straight into the ChatGPT or Claude that you already have. So it knows all about you. And chat, it's just one door, not the only door. Underneath, you got your customer list, quotes gone out, follow-up texts, invoices, conversations, website chat, every bit of it. There's an app on your phone and the whole system on your desktop. Same business underneath. Now, you've probably been pitched something like this already. There's a company that advertises something like this everywhere and their pricing's listed nowhere. So we booked a call and we found out as a buyer, not a competitor. And we asked questions that you would ask. And everything off here is from that recording. $5.99 a month plus $30 for every extra person who needs a phone number with a 12-month agreement. That's $7,200 in your first year. And you can't find that number anywhere on their website. So we asked them, what does this replace? Their rep said it out loud. They're not trying to be the place that holds your customers, which is the whole thing we include. Then we asked, can you run it from Claude or ChatGPT, the thing you just watched? And they said, nothing in that realm at this moment. Their AI is their AI, and it's built to do exactly what they want it to do. Nothing else. So what's the fine print? This part isn't from their own rep, it's from their own terms of service. 12 months on an auto renew, you get 1 month to say no. Miss that window and you owe the rest of the term. And the texting fees, they sit on top, whatever those are going to be. Side by side, we come in $200 a month less, no contract, and it runs from the app you already use with a customer management tool already included. And we set this whole thing up instead of just handing you a screen. Every platform says that, then it gives you a URL with a settings screen. We do it different. We interview you once, you answer in plain English, and the system fills everything in while you talk. Send me the spreadsheet. That's going to be the last time you ever have to think about that. You don't retype a customer on some clunky old system. We'll pull it out of there too. So $397 a month to get this set up. That covers your business texting registration, your phone number, your caller ID, and the interview. No contract and the price is on the page. So Mike sent us his spreadsheet on a Tuesday and he was running by Friday. Stop logging into things. Send us yours and we'll do the rest. Book a 15-minute call with us and see how we get this done.